Scat. All right, they packing up on him. They packing up on him. That one down, y'all. I don't know if that's the same deer or not, y'all. I don't know if that's the same deer or not. He might have been trying to get out the way. I don't think that's the same one. I hate they came out here because I knew they were going to be hollering all that noise right there. I said they're going to be hollering in the box like crazy.
You probably smell something from one out mine, see that too. All of them,
Yeah.
go in the woods all the time.
Something like that. No, I still got a few more out. Huh? I know they were barking. I can hear them way back there, oh man. They couldn't.
That deer run all down this side of 2 times.
They couldn't stand it. Oh man, you should have turned them out. You should have turned them out.
Them dogs went over to a Red Hill. You say they gotta move there.
That deer slipped right by me.
Did it?
I swear he did.
I thought that
Right
was
in
you
front of my truck. No.
Well, who that shot over there?
That's I had to be heavy Chevy. Yeah, he did. He did. And I was right back over that corner. They kept wanting to come through here for some reason.
Yeah, that's Rick dog.
That's Rick there.
That's the one that Coon Man killed his now?
Yeah.
He was right up there. And he come right straight down that thing.
Side of that
You
field.
had to see him. You had to see him coming down that road.
I see them running down the road like this. I said, uh-oh. Y'all looking where I was on top of my truck. I said, I see it. You better not miss.
Yeah, I seen him. Because I was going to it.
Better not miss how you open this thing, Cone Hunter.
Yeah, I was going to it.
I hate all them dogs turn out and came back out here. I was hoping they jump and go back that way.
We've been running all this.
That's a nice little pipe peg horn out there. Cone Hunter, I heard you say, that's how you shoot. That's how you shoot. I don't know who that one
He
is.
told me, he said, that's how you shoot them over.
That's how you shoot him. I heard
He
you.
had to watch him over down there. Yeah, we looking right at him. Let him come right over there. Who killed out? John killed out this side there. That's the one run upside of me this time. Nah, I ain't told you come all up down upside of me. How many, you said you got how many? How many I got?
You should have 2 of mine. Should be Sadie and Buttercup.
I for we got some dogs over there.
2 of my box.
That's Sadie right there.
You got who it is in your boat?
I don't know who it is.
You was around there with John?
Well, I was down the road from him.
Okay, yeah, that's Sadie right there. Sadie. You might have.
Watch out that big field. Watch out that big field right there. Come around here to 50.
Is that another dog? Got a dog running across that field, y'all?
We're back in there.
Yeah, I hit that one, but he went back in there, right there in the corner.
People made the dog feel him in. Not. Gotta go around.
Tempo.
Is that a buck? They call it.
No, that wasn't no buck.
That's a big one.
Huh? Huh? No, let's catch him. Come on. Down.
Two dogs are running the deer. Right by themselves upside that field, Chris. Dog.
Jesus. Man, I looked up, I said, darn, the deer right there. Too late. I didn't want to shoot back toward that way.
I didn't see smoke for your gun, then I seen both of the deer. I said, hell, I was
I didn't know that was you. That one I hit, he turned back in there.
Yeah. I said, oh hell, I just gave him $2 I'm shooting today.
Me too. I think they turned back on that one.
Yeah. I thought the first one went down. It looked like
I thought he went down right there. And I didn't want to shoot back at you on that one.
Oh, you could have had wait down. He got crossing. You could have let loose.
Nah.
On the corner.
I don't know how far them bucks shot. What up? One went back that way, one crossed, went back in here.
Show me where he crossed at.
Right here.
Dogs in front of you running.
They came out on both the deers. Then they turned them out. Well, we turned them around and went back. They turned one back. He crossed right along in here, Mike. I was down there. Yeah, he come right through here. He was right. Yeah, he went straight back. Yeah, that's him. Yeah. It was a big one. Okay. They still running, y'all? Okay. Hey, Cone Hunter. Cone Hunter. Killer One, get ready to put something out on this one to crawl. He got some people. Just hold your stand. He got some people back there. I'm just giving you a heads up so you can look both ways. So what's the plan?
You ain't getting this one.
I swear he got spots on him. I ain't want to shoot him.
Yeah, man.
He run up here and stop. I was gonna catch him. I thought it was a dog. I ain't want to shoot him, man. He's too small. Y'all, they must have been running that small deer. Y'all come up here and give me a hand. Come up and give me a hand, y'all. Come give me a hand. Come here, Sadie. 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 Come here, Sadie. Come here. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good Lord, look at the dog. Come here. Come here. I swear the dog.